Woo! It's somebody's birthday. It's somebody's birthday. Whose birthday is it? Reese's. Whose birthday is it? Reese's. It's somebody's birthday. It's somebody's birthday. Whose birthday is it? Reese's. Whose birthday is it? Reese's. Yeah, so I'm about to pull up at my son's school and drop him off some cupcakes. He told me not to do it, but you know, I want to embarrass him a little bit. For those that don't know, my child is turning 13. He's 13 today. Yeah, my baby boy is done growing up on me. So I'm about to go and embarrass him a little bit at his school and take these cupcakes up there. I know they probably won't let me in because the security, they have real high security here, so they not letting no parents in or nothing, which I'm perfectly okay with, especially with all this stuff that's been going on with these school shootings and stuff like that. Like, I am okay with that. Even though I'm a parent with good intentions and all of that stuff, I am perfectly okay with them not letting nobody in that school. So yes. But anyways, I'm about to pull up here and embarrass him real quick, and yeah, I'll be back. Just went to Publix and got some cupcakes. They didn't have any of the big ones, so I just got the little small cupcakes. So I got 3 of those, and then my son loves these little cookies right here, so I'm gonna take these up to his school before I go to work. I know I just dropped them off, so hopefully they'll let him have them. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Y'all, so I just dropped the cupcakes off, and I talked to the little secretary lady, and she asked me, she's like, how do you feel about, she was like, how old is he? Is he a teenager or a preteen? And I was like, he's 13. Like, I'm really not grasping the fact that I have a 13-year-old child. Like, this is like crazy to me. So she was like, how do you feel about having a teenager? I was like, I don't know. Like, it just feels like, to me, I feel like I ain't old enough to have no 13-year-old child. If you know me, you know I'm 25 plus a few, you know, whatever, give or take. But I'm 25 and I got a 13-year-old child. Oh my God, like, this is new. But yeah, she said that I couldn't take him up to the class, so I had to leave him down there in the office. She put his name on him and on it and all that stuff. So, you know, they'll get that at lunchtime. But yeah, so I'm about to head to work and finish out my work day. I might leave a little bit early because we do have our birthday dinner tonight. For those that don't know, my birthday is on Friday, April 7th. Today is April 5th, my son's birthday, so we were 2 days apart. Our birthdays are 2 days apart. So I'm gonna have us a birthday dinner on tonight, and then on Friday I'm getting on that bird. Time for me to go ahead and go rack up them frequent flyer miles. But yeah, I'm going on a trip on Friday. Yeah, so I'm excited. But for now, off to work. All right, y'all, bye.
Later.
Okay, so I'm back. I only got like 15 minutes to try to put a face together so that I can get ready to go. Tonight is my son's birthday dinner, so I'm going to, and mine too. So I'm going to try to do a really quick beat on this face. Okay, so let's see. I ain't even put no primer on or none of that stuff. I ain't got time. It was add a little bit of concealer. I don't even think I want to do. I don't want to do nothing. Let's see. The brows are pretty much okay. Damn, get this hair on my damn face. Shit. Okay. The brows are pretty much okay. I think I might just hit them up a little bit. Just with a little bit of the Gold Bar. From Wet n Wild on the eyebrow underneath. Bro, ain't no way. You hear my son in the background. Okay, so I might do a little bit. I don't want to do no foundation. That's just how I'm feeling. Let me put a little bit of highlighter. Put a little bit of. I'm really running late, y'all, so that's why I'm rushing. This don't even have nothing in it. I don't even know why I still got it. Put a little bit of eyeliner on the inside. Put a little bit in there. Alright, y'all, I'm finished the rest of this face and I'll be back. Y'all, this is literally all I had in me. I just did a little bit of concealer and put on some matte lipstick. And I'm out. Therese, be quiet! Be quiet! I'm recording the video. Be quiet! Anyways, yeah, this is it. This is it. Now I'm about to go get dressed. I'll show y'all what I'm wearing when I put it on. Yeah, so we are actually on our way to the event. I know it's raining, like, rain, go away, come again another day. Yeah. But we on our way to go get to our birthday dinner. I'm dressed. I know I'm a bad vlogger, but I'll show y'all. I'll insert some pictures on how I look, because your girl is cute, okay? Don't play with me because I'm cute. And the body is body. I'm just saying. I ain't got much of a booty, but the booty be booty doing. You know what I'm saying? It be bootying. But, yeah, so I'll pick this camera back up once I get to the spot. Yeah, I literally did not get any pictures at the dinner, but enjoyed a video of my dress.
Can I hear a little commotion for the dress? A little bit? Now let's hear it for the back of the dress.
Y'all, my best friend surprised me with some flowers. She's literally the best.
3 hours later.
Your brother. Y'all, so we just now leaving the birthday dinner. And my sister throws this damn thing at me. Mind you, she has a baby. She throws this thing at me. Don't judge me. She said this a diaper bag. I left it at the house. It got all the essentials in there. Look at this shit. Y'all, I can't make this up. This damn thing got wipes, clothes, diapers, everything in here. She threw this damn thing at me. Oh my God. And it looked like, I thought she was just manhandling the baby, like just wriggling it all around like it. No, it's her fuck. She said this is a damn diaper bag. Get this shit out of here. Get my baby. Look at this shit. Look how she holding it. Hold on. Leave my baby alone. Look at how she hold this damn thing. It's my baby. Look how she hold this damn thing. Oh my God. Lord.
The next day.
Hey y'all, hey. So I just got off from work, and tell me why I get home and my son done set up a whole play date with him and his friends. Yeah, play date. So he's like, Mom, when you get off, we're meeting at Dave & Buster's at 7 o'clock. I get off at 4 o'clock. I got stuff to do. I still have to pack. I still got to make sure that all of this stuff is together. I got to make sure he's together and he's packed. And he talking about a daggone play date. Make sure my light is on. But, so, yeah, we're about to head out and go to Dave & Buster's for a couple of hours before I drop him off. I'm gonna come home, clean up my room, cause y'all, my room is freaking terrible. Okay, when I tell y'all, I was trying to pack as soon as I got home from work, trying to go ahead and pack because I know I'm not gonna feel like doing it when I get back. I'm not. So I done started taking out my summer clothes and all that stuff. It's bad. So I'll show y'all that a little bit later. But yeah, just done came and put on. This is the little fit I done threw on. Just like some quick little, you know, I call them like hammer pant, legging type of thing. Some little tennis shoes, little shirt that says Dreamer. I think this is from Shein or something like that. Little jacket, just a little something to throw on. Apparently he's trying to impress some little girl, so she done found my TikTok and Instagram and all that stuff. So here she wants to meet me. But on our way to Dave & Buster's, and when I come back, I have to get packed so I can get ready to catch my flight in the morning. Whew, it's right now almost 7 o'clock. And yeah, we're gonna hurry these little kids on up. Turn off all the lights in the house. And then we out. Oh, I didn't show y'all. Look what my best friend got me yesterday for the birthday dinner. But she got me this for my birthday. Ain't that so freaking gorgeous? My dog take care of me. She know I love flowers. Like, literally, I got the, like, that's my dog right there. The best. Point blank, period. But, yeah, that made me smile. Yeah, but, alright, y'all. Finna get ready to head out. Go get in the car. Take these children to Dave & Buster's. Let them spend up my money. Because Lord knows he ain't gonna want to spend his own. Alright, y'all. Bye. Y'all ready? Y'all, I ordered this plant-based burger from Dave & Buster's. It was literally just okay. Probably because I've been fasting all day, I was hungry, but their food is not that good to me. Anyways.
3 hours later.
On the floor, get down on the floor. Y'all, I feel so old. My son is telling me that he ain't never heard Bossy before. You never heard Bossy?
Never in my life.
Oh. He don't know it. How you ain't never heard this? The heart on a problem. They don't keep it moving while the 808 is jumping. Diamonds on my neck, diamonds on my grill. I'm bossy. I'm the first girl to scream on the track. I switched up the beat of the drum. Y'all gonna think I'm crazy. Y'all, I just pulled up to my house and realized that I left my garage door open. My scary self thinking that somebody done came into my house. I done cased my whole house with a damn knife. A damn knife. Oh my God. It's looking and sounding crazy. But I got so much to do. I'm just now, let me turn on some light. I'm just now getting home. I have so much to do. I have to go through, clean up my room. I have to finish packing, try on my clothes, because I don't know about y'all. When I'm packing, I like to make sure I try on everything, make sure I got the accessories, the shoes, everything to go with my outfit and all of that. And then I have to clean up this room. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all my room. Do not judge me. This is a ghetto hot mess. I'm about to, I'll be up. Right now it is, let's see, what time is it? Darn, my watch is dead. It is 10:52 at night. I'm gonna try to have all this done, my room clean, and also I gotta put my flowers in some water. I just noticed that I left them out all night, so I need to make sure I put my flowers in some water. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna sweep my house up, and I have to clean up my room because it's just a thing. I do not like coming back from a vacation and my room or my house is a hot mess. Like, I like it to be spick and span when I come back, so that way all I have to do is unpack my suitcase and I'm relaxed. I'm good. I don't want to come back to no chaos, no nothing on my bed. My bed needs to be perfectly made up and everything. So I'm about to get to work, try these clothes on, and clean this damn room up, because Lord Jesus, there's stuff everywhere from where I've already started packing. You see my suitcase right here? I've already started that. So I'll be back.
2 hours later.
All right, y'all. I am done. I've cleaned up my room. I finished packing. I've tried on all my stuff. I've packed up everything. My makeup bag, everything is together. I done put my airport clothes. I don't know if I'm the only one who does this or not, and I always leave my suitcase open because I don't close it until the last minute. And then I have my airport clothes. Everything from my panties, my bras, everything that I wear to the airport is in the airport clothes pile. And I have it literally sitting next to my suitcase when I get ready to leave. Just because, I don't know, I always forget stuff. I also don't like to close my suitcase until I get ready to leave out the door, because I do have a list in my phone that I write down everything that I could possibly forget. Anything from like eyelashes, toothbrushes, toothpaste, my watch charger, my phone charger, like everything, wallet. I've left my wallet before. So I write down everything that I could possibly forget. And then when I get in the car, after I close up my suitcase and all that stuff, before I get ready to pull off, when I get in the car, I check that checklist and make sure I have everything on that list. And then once I have everything on the list, I start that car and I get ready to go ahead and head on to the airport. But yeah, your girl is tired. It's been a long day. Like, I've been to Dave & Buster's with the kids, with my son and my nephew. He kind of sprung that up on me, talking about all his friends are meeting there. Mama, let's go. I'm like, that was not a part of the plan. But since it is his birthday, yesterday was his birthday, I just went ahead and took him just to get him out. His little friends came and they had a good little time. So got to meet a couple of his friends and their parents and all that stuff. So it was good, just a good outing. But yeah, definitely not a part of the plan. I was still able to come home and get all this stuff done. I can't even think right now, y'all. But as y'all see, I got Whitney on. For those who don't know, Whitney is the robe, honey. Whitney is the robe. And when I got Whitney on, it is wind down time. I'm finna go take me a shower, wash my face, get all this eyelash glue off my eyelashes, do me a little skincare, and get ready to catch this flight in the morning. I gotta get up at 5 o'clock, be at the airport by 6:30. And yeah, I'll be on my way. So I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog here. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, bye.